is a cripple. Notice how she can't walk normally. She's a freak. She's a freak and she doesn't deserve to live because she's a cripple. And you know what? Cripples are useless. When the great winter comes and everybody is picking wheat so that we can eat during the great winter, what will you do? You'll just be inside and act like a cripple, wasting all the food. Or maybe you'll go out there and try to pick, but you'll fall down and hurt yourself. And then we'll all feel sorry and we won't be able to pick because you made us feel sorry for you. What are cripples good for?
I should watch you play that.
You're disabled now. You're not worth anything. You're not. Repeat after me. I am not.
No, what did you say?
Worth.
No.
No.
Cedric?
Yes?